The boy king Tutankhamun is perhaps the most recognizable Egyptian ruler of all time, though he only ruled Egypt for 10 years.
He's famous because by chance we have an intact tomb of a pharaoh. And even though it's a minor one, it gives us a glimpse into the real splendor and wealth of ancient Egypt.
Born Tutankhaten around 1341 BC, it is believed that his father was King Akhenaten.
His mother is still unknown because the DNA testing doesn't allow you to differentiate between a bunch of different sisters. The Egyptians made things very tough on historians by a lot of times marrying their siblings.
Tutankhaten assumed the throne at 9 years old.
Try to imagine a fourth grader as mayor of your town. The chances of a child running the country are really slim or non-existent. Other people were calling the shots.
Akhenaten had taken the country through a religious change, and Tut spent most of his reign revoking his father's religious reforms, even changing his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun.
I think what you could say King Tut's most important act was more as a tool for powerful interests who wanted to overturn much of what his father did. To try to overturn the dictates of a former pharaoh, the best tool in your arsenal is to have the new pharaoh to do that with.
After 10 short years as pharaoh, Tutankhamun died at the age of 19.
No one knows what killed King Tut, and he died as a relatively young man, but there were a lot of things in the ancient world that could cause your death. He was infected with malaria, DNA testing shows. He had a lot of bones that had been broken, including some relatively close to the time he died. Infection is not unheard of. Assassination is not unheard of.
Tutankhamun was largely forgotten until 1922, when archaeologist Howard Carter found his tomb.
He suddenly went from being an absolute unknown to being perhaps the best known, all because of this discovery that took everyone by surprise. Such fabulous wealth. Nothing like that had been discovered before, and nothing really since.